everyone. We're going to continue the Platinum play button in the last episode. First, this is what we got. Let's exit and give it out a screenshot. New. And then we save it. I'll call it the Platinum. I think it just called like this. It's already existed, so yes, done. We are going to unsave it, then get to some other. This. It's a website. It's kind of like Photoshop. Upload, but it's in Chinese, which I can. Let me think. Where is it? Where is it? Where did I save? So, yeah, it's right there. Here. Let's put it here. Yeah. Nearly there. Now we can erase things if we don't want them. So this rectangle, we don't need you. And I'll erase you. Nice. Then the text. And the text. And because, did you know that platinum is not even rarer than gold, but one of platinum's isotopes, Platinum-190, which it says, I don't know if I didn't tell you, but it's Platinum-190 that is even rarer than red diamond. So we gotta use it, and we gotta try. Presented to. Who's the next to hit 200 million subscribers, which is the first? As you can see, it's T-Series. T-Series is very close. In fact, it's like October they are hitting 200 million, so we're going to make it for T-Series. Presented to, then, enter T-SERIES, T-Series. For passing 200 million, no, that's 200K. Let me count. 1,000, a million, 10 million, 200 million. Or I just abbreviate it and short it as million. Subscribers, and M should go. Yeah, that's good. Wait a minute. I should make it smaller, way smaller. Let's just use this. I think it's that'll be enough. Yeah, more smaller. Kind of like 60. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. So, platinum play button. And, this is T-Series. So, T-Series, their logo, the color is red. So why not change it red, right? Red series. And they have some white, so I'll not use black, but white. And I've looked at her channel before, so yeah. Still make it to white. Pretty much that's it, but right? I mean, it looks pretty silly, you know, kind of, and it's without the YouTube logo. I don't know what you say.